since I need to change my store categories on my Zazzle store, I thought, why not take you along and show you how you can create your Zazzle store categories and also how to upload them to your Zazzle store, and actually also how to create the categories. Now over here on my Doodle Art store, which is basically my main store on Zazzle, I have a few categories already over here created. One is for Christmas, for Halloween, for patterns, for exercising and staying fit, for illustration, for cute doodles, and for mandalas. Now I do want to change them a little bit and make them a bit more, I don't know, elegant, even though my store is more of a doodly, cartoony type of store. I want to keep the doodly side of it, but still make them different. Now if we go check some other stores, how they put their categories together, as far as I can tell, they used mostly mock-ups in their store category. So this store, which is basically peach lemonade, they put first their collections. So the customers, when they shop in their store, the first thing they see are the collections that they've created, and then here there are the categories, and lastly are all the other products that they made. Now the categories are named in the bottom as well. So they have one for babies, electronics, face shields and masks, office, school, sports and games, and the images that go along with it are actually mock-ups of those similar products that are in those categories. If we go check out another store, this is Loose Works Studios. They have the categories up front, and again they're mock-ups of their products, and also they have a little area at the bottom that says what type of category it is. So stationery and office, occasions, electronics, home, gift ideas, and holidays. And then they have the featured collection, and the other products that they've created, and that's about it what they have on the first side of their shop. Now let's go check one of mine as well. Self-awareness heals. I have first categories, accessories, clothing, exercise, magnets, mugs, pillows, self-awareness heals, stationery, and stickers and labels. And then I have latest products that I've created and collections, and that's about it. Oh yes, and products as well. So I'm gonna leave this store as it is. And then another one is, which I've just created recently, which are sarcastic t-shirts, and I only have two categories so far. One is for men's tees and women's tees. I'm probably gonna do kids t-shirts, and then I have collections. One is for the sarcastic t-shirt for the 4th of July, and then I have also a bridal t-shirts, like bride to be sarcastic t-shirts. Okay, so let's just close this up because I'm gonna leave those. Now, how do you change the categories in your store? Well, actually, if you just open one, how do you create categories in your store? If you go to products over here at the top, we don't need to see that, and on the side over here, if you don't have categories yet, there's going to be one category. I think it's going to be like featured products, and then if you go see all categories, you just click on that one, and for you this is going to be empty, and all you have to do is actually click on the blue button that said add new category, and you can make a category under an existing category. Over here you put your category name, and over here you put an image for your category. You can also decide if you want this category to be visible or visible for your customers or only for you. Now, the image size that is best suited for the categories is actually 325 pixels, I think. Let me just check. The size is 324 times 324 pixels. Now, I've made a few templates over here in Zazzle shop for categories. These are all editable. Just standard birthdays, Christmases, Halloween, Easter, and so on and so forth. Over here we have t-shirts, funny mom t-shirts, funny dad t-shirts, funny kids t-shirts, sarcastic t-shirts, Halloween, Christmas, birthday, boho stationery, boho invitations, boho t-shirts, boho birthday cards, and this file is going to be available for download in the description box down below. You can download it, edit it, use it, or just use it for practice. But for now, since I'm changing mine, these ones, let's just create. So I need one for Christmas designs, Halloween patterns, staying fit. Let's start with Christmas designs. I'm going to go over here in Canva and search for Christmas graphics. Let's see what Canva can offer. I'm guessing something that is minimalistic and yet recognizable and still has the same cartoony, doodly feel to it. I am going to choose the designs that do not have the Pro with them, even though I do have a Pro account, but I'm gonna stay in the within the boundaries of the free elements. I don't know if this fits together or not. Okay, let's check. Canva does have a lot of designs, a lot of graphical elements that you can choose from, which is great and comes in handy when you need it. So I think I'm gonna stick with this one. So like this, and I'm also gonna add a square let's just remove the corner rounding, not fully but a little bit, and if you go to position you can actually send it to back, or if you click on layers you can manually move it. So okay, that's gonna be over here, or should I put it more in the middle? Now when it comes to designing these, you need to keep in mind that this is going to be small, so whatever you put inside, don't overcrowd the design. Like so, and I think I'm gonna change the color. I do have my own colors, which are my brand colors. I think I'm gonna go with those. And let's get the circle. Something similar to that. And drag it behind these two. Okay, and I'm gonna put a text in, which says Christmas designs. Oops. Okay, now let's change the font to something that is more, I don't know, Christmassy, I guess. I think I like this one. And I am going to change the color of the font as well. It looks nice. I think this looks pretty neat. Okay, so I'm gonna download this one. We go to share, download. Now since I do have the pro account with Canva, I'm gonna go with transparent background, but you could leave it at white as well. It doesn't really make a difference. And download. Now I just need to save it. Okay, and if we go back to Zazzle, now if I want to change this, I just clicked on it, and over here you can see it says edit, delete, add new category. Now I do have subcategories in this one, which are accessories, clothing, home, party supplies, and postcards, but I'm just gonna change this one for now. I'm gonna leave that as is and change the image, upload the new one. Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. Now we click on it and there it is. Now if you don't want other people to see it, just click on hide, but I want other people to see it, so I'm gonna leave it as this and click done, and now the image is going to change. Now if I click on hide, it's actually going to hide it from it's not going to delete it, it's just going to hide it from this section, so people are not actually going to be able to see it. But now, as they are like so, they can see it. So this is how you change the thumbnail or create a category thumbnail in Canva for free. Very easy, very fast. And yeah, that's it. That's basically the whole thing. Now I am gonna do all the other categories of camera as well, but this file, which is over here, I have a few templates over here. You can download it in the description box down below, and play around with it and create your own unique store categories for your Zazzle shop. This is it for today's video. Thank you for being with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I give out similar tutorials every Friday and Sunday, and also a little short every Tuesday. Until next time, have a great day, have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.